How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super slick 1948 3100 Chevy pickup. Super nice truck. Done in a Canary Yellow. It's got your chrome grille and bumpers. They all look real good. Truck's super slick paint on it. Got your wood bed, fuel tank's been moved to the rear. It's got a Camaro subframe in the front and a Camaro rear. It's got your power steering, your power disc brakes. Got a nice roll pan in the rear. Super slick truck. Thing drives out beautifully. Got a nice little 350 in, aluminum intake. It's got vintage AC and heat. It's got aluminum radiator. It's got your power disc brakes. All under the hood's all painted real nice. Very nicely done. This truck was done several years back. Looks beautiful. It's held up very well. Good clean truck. I like the nice gray cloth interior in it. Got tilt column. It's got all Mallory gauges in it. Does have AM, FM, CD stereo mounted in the glove box. And the dome light works. It's got your seat belts. Really comfortably done. It's got the LoKar shifter. The running boards are fiberglass, but everything else on the truck is steel. Got third brake light there in the back of the cab. Did a real nice job doing the air vents on the bottom of the dash and everything. Got your map lights up top. They all work. LoKar shifter. It's got park and brake. Fires right up. Sounds real good. Got a nice set of dual exhausts. It's got, I believe, they're Walker mufflers on it. Nice billet centerline wheels. It's just a really good truck. Drives down the road. Just probably the best driving little pickup we've had. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, folks.